If you feel that there's anything worrying or concerns about your health, it's always worthwhile checking in with your local osteopath. They can now do telephone consultations as well, and actually it's been proven that it works very well with the case history, diagnosis, assessment, advice and reassurance, and all of these things that go hand in hand with what osteopathy truly is. So bear in mind that osteopathy is there for you, and it can potentially help with a lot of your concerns to do with pain, aches and fatigue. Many thanks. So thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember you can like it and check the subscribe button, and this will help you to get hooked up with more videos as they are released. Please leave any questions or useful feedback in the comments below, and I'll do my best to respond as quickly as possible where appropriate.